One Struthers dentist is calling new technology a breakthrough. He confirmed his office is the first in Ohio to have a new ultraviolet light that kills viruses in less than a second. He wants people to know about it in hopes it becomes more widespread in all public places.
This is the best technology in the world. It has to be looked at.
Dr. Mark DeGenova started researching new UV technology and stumbled across a company in New Hampshire that created a new disinfecting light called the Far-UV Sterilray.
The difference with the new technology is that you can work underneath that light. It's the only light like it in the world, and it won't cause any damage to your eyes.
Which means this light can be used while the room is occupied, unlike previous disinfecting UV lights that could only be turned on at night. This new one kills bacteria and viruses almost instantly.
And when I do my procedures during the day, I have the light on. It has an instant kill rate in less than a second, so if there is any aerosol created by the handpiece or whatever instruments we were using, it's killed instantly.
Making for a safer dentist visit, but he believes it could go a lot further.
It has tremendous application for not only dental offices, medical facilities, operating rooms, but on a broader scale, airplanes, small businesses, restaurants.
With more local news, I'm Madison Tromler.
He said this light produces up to 1,000 times more destruction than any other UV source. This light is thousands of dollars, but he hopes one day it becomes mass produced and more accessible.